penance. Oh, however, when I rose up this morning, I decided that I would start anew. Whatever that man has done, I would overlook it in honor of your wedding day, shall we? I decided to fix myself up, move up the house a little, in case somebody decided to drop by, being a day in the neighborhood and all. So I go outside to get some flowers for my living room, go to my magnolia tree, and there's not a bloom on it.
Oui, but the judge has not decided whose tree that is exactly.
It is mine. Be that as it may, is it not too much for me to ask